Hey guys, welcome to today's second review. Heath and I stopped at Dairy Queen and I got the new Fudge Pecan Turtles Blizzard and I got the snack size. Stay tuned! Okay, so we're going to see how it is. Oh. See, it's melting already.
Yeah.
Heath is enjoying his chocolate dipped cone. Just now, the chocolate's all gone. Oh, it's really good. Got pecans in it, turtle pieces. I got a turtle piece. Oh, this is good. See if I can show you guys a turtle piece, but there you go, guys. So there's mini turtles in there. Look at that. I thought this might be sicky sweet, but it's actually pretty nice. We're in Halifax right now. I started going to the Halifax side today. I love turtles. Turtles, rah, rah, rah.
Turtles, ha, ha, ha.
Oh, goodness. One more bite. So everything is 5 out of 5. It's not too sticky sweet. I thought it might be. You know what I mean? With the turtles and the chocolate soft serve and everything. It was really nice with the pecans. Tomato. Just nice chocolate soft serve mixed in with pecans and the mini turtles. It tastes really, really good. It's not too sweet. A nice little treat there. Yeah, definitely recommend you guys try this. Let me know in the comments if you guys have a favorite blizzard that you like whenever you go to Dairy Queen. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye-bye!
See you guys. Bye-bye.